Are you planning to go to Iraq? For work or vacation? Or to achieve your commercial goals? Such an exciting opportunity. Going Iraq can be complicated because there is a process of getting the correct documents verified before you are allowed to go. It is also a crucial process if you want to export your goods or establish a business in Iraq. The Iraq consular legalization is an essential part of the document attestation for Iraq. This process will certify the legality of your certificates and yourself for business or work or stay in Iraq country. It's oblivious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of Iraq Embassy attestation procedure regarding what is Iraq Embassy attestation, when and why is Iraq Embassy attestation required, whether you will need attestation or apostille, with or without translation, is your presence required to get the documents verified. What is Iraq Embassy attestation?
The consular stamp from Iraq Embassy, or consulate, is a type of legal procedure that will render with the proof of the verification of the document.
When and why is Iraq Embassy attestation required?
The Iraq consular stamp required for a work visa, student visa, residence visa or business purpose. It shows that you are a genuine person or company who is visiting Iraq or doing business in Iraq with genuine purpose. It proves that your certificate is true, which can be permitted in the country. Iraq Embassy attestation is a report which expresses a conclusion about the reliability of a specified document.
How long does the attestation process take time for Iraq?
The consular attestation process takes 10 to 15 working days time, and the time period depends upon the type of documents and issued place. Although there are several ways to finish process on a fast track, contact to Excellent Apostille Services.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The Iraq consular stamp can be printed exclusively on original certificates. So, the latter should be in an apparent better position. All signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain alien labels or marking. Original documents needed which you necessitate attestation. Civil ID copies such as supporting, passport copy, or driving license copy, etc. As supporting for business documents, company covering letter, favor to the Consular Embassy of Iraq. The certificates are divided into 3 types: educational certificates, personal documents, commercial documents. All the earlier mentioned 3 kinds of documents could be legalized from Iraq Embassy. To reach the final attestation, the document has to pass through some compulsory primary legalization process from the various authorized department. The certificate attestation for primary, secondary and tertiary to be used in Iraq depends upon the kind of documents. Educational certificate attestation procedure for Iraq. Step 1. HRD attestation, or home attestation. Step 2. Attestation from Ministry of External Affairs, MEA India. Step 3. Final attestation from the Iraq Embassy. Personal documents attestation procedure for Iraq. Step 1. Home attestation, or SDM attestation. Step 2. Attestation from Ministry of External Affairs. Step 3. Final attestation from the Iraq Embassy. Commercial documents attestation procedure for Iraq. Step 1. Attestation from Chamber of Commerce. Step 2. Attestation from Ministry of External Affairs. Step 3. Final attestation from the Iraq Embassy.
Since this process involves your original documents, there is always a concern of document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. Excellent Apostille Services guarantees the highest reliability and quality and provide end-to-end services of attestation, apostille or translation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for attestation needs. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services. Free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support. Guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All-in-one hassle-free document verification service is just a phone call away. Once we know the destination you want to travel, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. Our service in this industry for many years, and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete attestation needs.